I don't suggest gap her. I don't suggest contacting her. The building gap the building was destroyed. This analysis is gap. This analysis is theirs. I am not accustomed gap being interrupted. I am not accustomed to being interrupted. We were all pleased gap our English test results. We were all pleased with our English test results. You must be back gap 8 o'clock. You must be back by 8 o'clock. He went to school gap bus. He went to school by bus. I live gap London. I live in London. The task gap so easily. The task won't be solved so easily. They burnt gap the village. They burnt down the village. She appeared gap. She appeared suddenly. Presidents have full authority gap his ministers. Presidents have full authority over his ministers. Peter and I gap cousins. Peter and I are cousins. How gap water did she drink? How much water did she drink? Mr. Musk teaches gap class in the morning. Mr. Musk teaches his class in the morning. Thank you for watching. What is your score? Comment below. Subscribe.